Come back with another questions. Question is shown here. Find the value of cot 7.5 degree. Before going to solve this question, I advise you watch this video without any break, because if any break is there, you will not understand properly and concept will not be clear. Another advice is subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, because whenever any video will be uploaded, immediate notification will be sent to you. Next, trying to solve this question. See, find the value of question 7.5 degree. Let 7.5 degree that is equal to theta. So cot 7.5 degree that is equal to cot theta. That is, we have to find out the value of cot theta. See, here is doing something rough. We know the standard values of T ratios, that standard value is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. If we are able to express cot theta or sin theta or cos theta in terms of sin 30 degree, cos 30 degree, cot 30 degree, easily we are able to find out the value of that. So we will express theta multiple of theta. Now cot theta that is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Use the formula such that we are able to express theta in terms of multiple of theta. So see, cos theta into 2 cos theta we have multiplied numerator and denominator by 2 cos theta. Why we have multiplied here? Because it will be 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta, there is a formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. That means theta is expressed in terms of 2 theta. Similarly, sin theta 2 cos theta, that means 2 sin theta cos theta. We will express the formula sin 2 theta. I am writing here the formula for better understanding. 2 cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here 2 sin theta cos theta that is equal to sin 2 theta. So numerator will be cos 2 theta sin 2 theta. Obviously, see, if theta is 7.5 degree, then cos 2 theta is equal to cos 15 degree. Similarly, sin 2 into 7.5 degree sin 15 degree. Now we have to find out cos 15 degree sin 15 degree. See, we can write (45 degree, 30 degree), result is 15 degree, and cos of 45 degree, sin of 45 degree, cos of 30 degree, sin of 30 degree are known. So use compound angle formula cos A minus B that is equal to cos A cos B sin A sin B. Using this formula, I may write this 45 degree cos 30 degree now put the values. Cot 45 degree half, not 1 by root 2, sin 30 half. After simplification, this will be 2 2. Similarly, find see sin A minus B formula. So cos 30 root 3 by 2. After simplification, root 2. See here cot theta, there is going to name it A. So from equation A, and replace theta by 7.5 degree, cot 7.5 degree, that is equal to plus 15 degree. Now 1 plus cos 15 . Now after simplification, 2 root 2 will get cancelled out. So now rationalizing the denominator, so we should multiply multiply this portion by root 3 and second time this portion into 1. 2 root 2 into root 3 root 6 root 3 root 3 3 1 root 3 root 3 plus whenever it will be multiplied by 1, same thing remaining. A minus B into A plus B, 3 minus 1, that is A square minus B square. Next thing 2 root 6 2 root 2 root 3 root 3 2 root 3 3 plus 1 4, that means taking out 2 common, root 6. See after that 3 plus 1 4, 4 taken out 2 common 2, but we can write this 2 by this root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. Maintaining the similarity, all terms are coming under root. Root 3 root 3 2 root 3 2 taken out common, root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled out or cancelled out 2. Therefore what we are having, cot of 7.5 degree, that is equal to root 6 4 3 plus 2. This is the answer. So we are having the value of cot 7.5 degree, root 6 plus root 4 plus root 3 plus root 2 So problem is solved. Again, I shall tell you, or I suggest you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for getting the notifications whenever the videos will be uploaded. Thank you very much.